Keep going and achieve success. Obana, made in China. Let the world feel the charm of the East. Make the world admire products made in China. Win the world's applause with Chinese quality. Obana brand has always been committed to innovative technology, category innovation, breaking through boundaries. Create a diversified sports space. Do your best with respect. Determine the industry's height with craftsmanship and quality. Focus on specialization, branding, internationalization. From concept creation to actual presentation, we always focus on providing customers with tailor-made solutions. From production and processing to packaging and transportation, we follow the refined management process throughout the entire process. Ensure the stable operation of the customer's supply chain, from construction completion to acceptance and delivery. We adhere to strict standards. Double-check every detail. Guard every trust and expectation with craftsmanship. Obana brand manufactures sports flooring, PVC sports flooring, customized craft flooring, commercial flooring, suspended assembled flooring, thermoplastic elastic flooring, long and other ground material products. It has 6 major production bases in Liaoning, Hebei, Jiangsu, etc. 10 major storage spaces. 1.2 million square meters of standing inventory. Sales cover 99.9% of cities nationwide and exported to more than 50 countries and regions including the United States, Canada, Malaysia, Singapore, Madagascar, Indonesia, etc. Serving over 2 million customers. Annual sales of sports flooring exceeds 20 million square meters. The wind never stops. The waves never cease. The pursuit never stops. Let us witness every wonderful presentation on the competition venue together. Good quality and integrity. The World Obana.